Now it's a little dark down here, but you can kind of tell this is the pipe area, okay? I put the glue on and shored up every single corner there and there and there and there. This is our PVC pipes, all right? Good day, Gothamites. Today is Monday, June 10th, I think. And we're heading off to a store called Menards. It's a home improvement store. I think they're a nationwide chain, but some places don't have Menards. It's like a Lowe's. It'd be like a Blaine's Farm and Fleet, sort of. Or it would be like a Ace Hardware. So we're heading off to the store, Menards. Our basement pipes, PVC plastic drain pipes, running from our toilet and from our sink, our tub, seems to be leaking a little bit. So we're gonna go pick up some PVC glue and try and shore up the joints. So why don't you come with me?
But first, let me take a selfie.
Meanwhile, at the Hall of Justice.
The Menards. So I just witnessed a woman who was scolding her little child as she was backing up and leaving out of here. She wasn't paying attention, almost hit two old ladies, the two that are walking into the store right now. Oh my God. Crazy. But it's a beautiful sunny day. The sun is warm, but the wind is cool, so it feels great. So let's grab a cart and try and find the PVC plastic pipe area, the plumbing area, the plumage. Plus I need something electrical too. So lastly, actually maybe 2 weeks ago, maybe even 3 weeks ago, we came to the store and I realized that we needed a clamp light. I need a little extra light that I could clamp anywhere in my room, so that when we're taking some pictures for eBay or streaming, we have additional light. Because when I wear a hat, half of my face gets shaded both ways because of the hat, like this. So I found a clamp light. It's just a simple metal structure with a clamp at the end, and you just screw a light bulb into it. Let's take a look. Okay. Exactly like I said, it's called the clamp light. And here's what they look like. So they have a simple little clamp at the top holding a light structure. And there's a clamp at the top holding the socket area and this on the bottom. So I can literally clamp this on anything that I want to and point it right back at me. So for $6.47, you know, would I like it cheaper? Yeah. Okay, we got our clamp light in the cart, and I think we're actually in the right area because look at the plumage. Plumbing as far as the eye can see. Pipe and conduit. Tubs and showers, water heaters. We're in the right place. And I think I know what they look like. They're small, tiny containers. PVC glue. So I don't think it's going to be down either of these two. Let's head down. This looks like a bunch of supplies. If it's not this aisle, then it'll be this aisle. Okay, there was a guy who was hogging up the area by me, and it fell into the cart. So here's what we need. When you're dealing with PVC pipe, you need two different things. You need primer. Now, a cheaper kind, I think, is purple primer. A lot of plumbers use purple primer. That way they can see what they're actually priming. My pipes are already been primed and glued together, so I'm only getting the clear kind. And then you need a PVC cement. Okay, this is a clear one. They I think sell different colors as well. So they're gonna run you, this is about 3.5. Same with this. I didn't want to get too much primer because I don't think I need as much. But for example, the reason why you need it is, say you're gonna plug, this is very large here, but it's still PVC. Say you're gonna connect this valve, right? And you want to connect here and here. So you're going to put a PVC pipe here and a PVC pipe here, right? What you do is there's actual light sandpaper. There's PVC sandpaper. It's super fine. You do a quick little sand here. You sand in the hole, right? Then you use the small primer. This comes with a little, there's a metal stick with a little ball on the end, a little fabric ball. And then you coat the inside with primer. Then you take your cement, right? And it's got a metal stick in there again with a little ball in there. And you pull some out, and you gotta move fast though, this stuff. And once you put the glue in there, this stuff is so strong, you're gonna need a hacksaw to cut it out again. It's so strong. So then you put your pipe right in there. So that's what you need to do PVC plumbing. It's some of the easiest plumbing you can do. But you have to have the right sizes and lengths, things of that nature. And let's see if I can find some long tubes here to show you the cost of it. This PVC pipe plumbing is pretty cheap. Like, we walked by this area before. You have different styles, right? So even for these super huge tubes, you know, $9, $7. What people are going to end up using is usually a 2-inch, 2.5. It depends. You're going to use a larger size maybe for toilets or whatnot. But there's these super huge pipes, right? Corrugated pipe used for high volume drainage. We have other stuff. So PVC pipe, a huge length, a 10-foot length. Those are running at $4. You know, $5 for this 2-inch. Okay, that one was 1.5. So you're gonna take a hacksaw and you can cut those down to length. It's some of the easiest plumbing you could do for your house. And it's pretty popular. And you don't need solder. You don't need blowtorch. All you need is PVC pipe, a hacksaw, or an electric saw that'll cut through the pipe. You need your primer and your glue. That's it. So, I'm sure many of you know how to do some basic plumbing. Hope you enjoyed that little mini lesson. I only know it because I've done my entire basement with my brother-in-law. That's why I know a little bit about it and helping him out. He's a contractor, he's a construction independent contractor himself, so he knows how to do all this stuff. But now that we got that, all we need left is we're gonna get some liquid Drano to drain down our actual basement drain, not in any of our pipes. Here we came across the snack aisle here in Menards. We got the music in the background. The ultimate snack mix. Corn chips, mini pretzels. There's a cart going behind me, cheese curls. You know, those look halfway decent, right? For $3.29. And then I saw you have some Dots home style pretzels. These actually look pretty good if you like to munch on pretzels. Oh, there they are, $4.99. I mean, not bad. It's a pretty big bag of pretzels. They're probably kind of premium. And then I came across the giant snack tins with handles. So they're patriotic 4th of July stuff with an eagle. They're kind of cool, you know. 20 ounce. So I'm like, what's it? What do you mean? Giant snack tins. Usually these are filled with popcorn for Christmas time. But this has 20 ounce pretzels, caramel corn, and cheese curls. That's it. I mean, that's it. I mean, I guess $9.99 is okay, but I don't know. Some stuff usually in these kind of tins tend to be a little stale, you know, a little bit. I mean, if you know that this is the first day they got shipped, you might get it somewhat fresh, but I don't know. 4 gallons of water for $6. That's $1 a gallon. That's more than $1 a gallon. Glacier Mist distilled water. 3 gallon bottles. So, oh, here it is in the gallon size. 79 cents here for a gallon. Or 3 gallons for $2.37. 7.14.21. They're almost about the same size. I might grab 1 gallon because we're running low on bottles of water. And the water in our town is not that fantastic. It's not bad. It's just could be better. And I came across this Harvest Snaps Green Pea Snack Crisps. Now, straight up green peas, fresh. I like to dip those in like a salad dressing, and they're real good. But when they fry them, Caesar for $1.74. I don't know. Great taste, new look, great new flavor. This one's Parmesan garlic. This one's wasabi ranch, so that's going to be spicy. And this is the original, lightly salted. I have a feeling I'd like lightly salted or Caesar. We're gonna try the Caesar because it's gonna probably taste like a garden salad. We'll give this a try. For $1.74, let's give it a try. I don't know. Okay, one thing I've been seeing commercials for on the internet and possible the TV is this stuff. The Stubbs. I'm seeing commercials for this. The Stubbs barbecue sauce. Made by a blues jazz musician. Legendary barbecue sauce. So for $2.59, we're going to give it a try, but I'm also going to look for what other kind here because I'm a little leery about trying new things when I have my set barbecue sauces. You saw our Walmart video. You know, the good kind. But maybe this is worth a try. We'll see. Because we're cooking barbecue chicken tonight for dinner. And this might be a good try. Okay, here's more condiments. Condiment aisle. So this was what, $2 and something cents, the Stubbs. Picked up some hydration water for me later. But we have the Hunts here. And I trust the Hunts brand. I use it for other stuff. We have hickory brown sugar, original, for $1.39. All I need is a little extra barbecue sauce for tonight's dinner. I don't need a ton. I just want to make sure I have some. So instead of spending a whole extra $1.50 for Mr. Tubbs, we're gonna go with the Pour Top Spout Hunt's original barbecue sauce. Sorry, Stubbs, we're gonna put you back for now. The Baby Ray's, that's the bottle size, actually a little bit smaller bottle size, but around the bottle size that I normally get at the Walmarts, and it's about the same price, you know, $2.38. Famous Dave's, I'm not a big fan because they're always a little bit spicy and hot, and that's the point of it. But I've never tried TGI Fridays. I've actually never seen it in the store, and this is a home repair and improvement store. So interesting. So we have the buffalo wing sauce. That might be worth a try, although whenever I've gone into TGI Fridays and actually eaten. If you don't have TGI Fridays by you, it's like a Bennigan's or it's like a Applebee's. It's you know, one of those type of places, and they're buffalo wings that you get at TGI Fridays. Oh my God, are they salty as heck? Which is why they make you want to drink more beer. Drink, because they're salty. So God knows how salty these are.
Meanwhile, at the Hall of Justice.
Now it's a little dark down here, but you can kind of tell this is the pipe area. Okay. I put the glue on and shored up every single corner there and there and there and there. This is our PVC pipes, all right? There's 2 sets. I did it there and there. And then let me see if we can turn around. Did it there and there and there. So there's 2 separate sets of pipes, right? That's running from the my bathroom tub all the way into the main drain, which goes all the way across. So we're getting water. I don't know why. Like, it's dry now, but we're getting water like crazy coming right from there. But the rest of this is like dry. So it's like it happens when it takes a shower, or I don't know what. I think the water's backing up from our basement drain. This is the overall drain that goes right to the sewer. So we have an unfinished basement, and we have our air conditioner, air conditioner unit with the condensation running right into there. But I think it's because this is backing up, right? And the water will fill up all here, which is not good. It happens maybe when we run clothes or we run the shower. So I think I need a rotor-rooter to make sure the drain is open, and then hopefully everything will drain. So, all in all, we had a successful trip to Menards, had some fun. We did apply the PVC cement to the pipes. You saw the joints just now. We're still getting some leaking. I think it's due to drainage, but we're going to keep on top of it, and hopefully things turn out well, meaning dry. So Gothamites, thank you for being with me on this trip, and hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. I'd like to see you back for some of our other vlogs. We're going to probably post this on our Tech Talk as well. So Gothamites, friends, have a great night.